Hiya, how are you all doing? Hope everyone is all right. I am at the end of quite a long day, so I apologise for I mean, look at that. You think I've been punched in the eye? I haven't. It's just really tired. But Degustabox arrived today, and even though they were going to put it in a safe space, they just left it on the front porch, not the safe negotiated space. But it's okay, it's still here. Obviously my neighbours are good people and they don't steal stuff. Point to note. My husband was like, it's here, when can you do it? Can you do it now? So I was like, okay, I'll do it. All right, be calm. Is it as exciting as he thinks? I don't know. We've been getting Degustabox for quite a while. It's $12.99 a month. You can get discount on your first box if you use this code, which not only helps you, but it also helps me. This is actually a free box because somebody used my code, so thank you so much, whoever that was. When people use my referral codes, it really does help my channel. Anyway, should we just get into November's box? Let me see, what does it say? It says it's the Festive box, which I always think is weird. Why have we got the Festive box in November, and shouldn't it be a Festive box in December? I suppose when the box comes in December, it will be literally just before Christmas, so maybe, I think it was like a New Year's box last year, kind of like healthy eating. If you want to see what is in November's festive offering, then I'd love it if you could hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, share this video when you're done, and of course, give me the big thumbs up. Alright, let's get into this video. I'll give you a glimpse of some of the items in this month's box. It's not as heavy as normal. I mean, it's still pretty heavy, don't get me wrong, I won't be holding it again, but it's not the worst. Worst? Heaviest. So maybe there's less drinks in here? I don't know. This looks interesting and it looks strawberry flavoured, and I love strawberry flavoured things. Weetabix no, Weetabix on the go kids strawberry breakfast top-up drink 4-pack. Ooh. Like, that looks nice, and it's got a game on the back, a crossword. I can do that. I found a word already. Breakfast, tasty, splash, calcium. Oh, I'm so good at this. Is that because it's for kids? Perhaps. It's got no artificial colours, flavours or sweeteners. It's got vitamin D, it's got protein, it's got calcium, it's fibre. It just says strawberry flavoured breakfast milk drink with added vitamins and iron. It's 150 calories per whatever this is, little bottle I guess. They're $2.99 for a pack of 4. Make mornings smooth with Weetabix on the go for kids with 4 single serve pouches in a multi-pack. You can be prepared for those busy on the go mornings. In 3 delicious flavours, a source of vitamin D, blah 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 blah. So that's quite nice, and I guess not just for kids but for adults too. I wonder if this has got bits in it. I've tried a Weetabix like morning drink before and it had like bits in it. It kind of freaked me out. I didn't like it, but yeah, I'm definitely going to give that a try. I love strawberry things, hopefully it's good. We have got more alcohol and it's Jack Daniels again. So last month we had, what was it, honey I think, and lemonade, honey Jack Daniels, and this time we have got regular number 7 Tennessee Sour Mash Whiskey with light cola rather than regular cola. We also have it with full fat regular cola as well. You can normally get these like 3 or 4 for £3 or 3 for £4, something like that in Tesco. And actually at the moment, if you're a Jack Daniels fan, they're doing a litre of Jack Daniels for £16. There you go, that's all my Jack Daniels knowledge. I'm sure that these will get consumed over Christmas. They're £2 each, a perfect mix of Jack Daniels and cola. Convenient, perfectly mixed, whether you're on the go or staying in with friends. Best served chilled, and yes, that is true.
I can tell this is a box for my husband because of what's in here next. Not only does he get Jack Daniels, he gets this as well. I'm not even sure if I'm going to show it to him. I just am going to put it straight in his stocking. He will love this. He loves Reese's, he loves peanut butter. I think I got him one of these for Christmas last year to put in his stocking. So that is exactly where this is going. He can wait. This is £3. A great seasonal treat, a peanut butter filled snowman with a chocolate coating. The perfect combination of chocolate and peanut butter. I can't actually remember, but is that whole thing filled with peanut butter? I don't know, it's gross to me. I hate peanut butter. Totally hate nut flavoured things, so this is just like, ugh. Anyway, it's good for someone and that's all that counts. This says on the side, we hope you love this as much as we do. So what are you? Almond thins and Belgian chocolate. Okay. looks like that. I feel like this is something else that I should keep for when guests come round. The classic Jules Destroper. Oh yes, the classic that I've never ever heard of. Crisp and nutty almond thins biscuit with a thin coating of just enough Belgian milk chocolate, the perfect indulgent combination. Yes, I wasn't sure if that meant one of them was chocolate and then they had other ones that were almond, but since it's one side and the other, I am going to put them onto one side because, did I just say I don't like nuts? Shame for me, huh? But that is a nice thing to pull out when you have guests and be like, oh, here are my fancy biscuits. So that's good. Right, what is this? Organic lentil vegetable soup. Oh, that sounds nice. Do you like a lentil soup? Gluten-free, low-fat. Looks like this. Quite tasty. Amy's original lentil soup is so popular that we created another delicious lentil soup. This one is full of organic vegetables including green beans, tomatoes and spinach in a hearty, flavourful lentil-based soup. We hope you like it as much as we do. Amy's Kitchen was started when our daughter Amy was born in 1987. Wow. Less old than I am. We are a family business deeply committed to producing convenient prepared foods that taste homemade. Amy's soups, like all our products, are handmade with the finest natural and organic ingredients prepared with the same care as you would use in your own home. Let's look at the ingredients then. Filtered water, organic onions, organic lentils, carrots, celery, potatoes, spinach, olive oil. Actually, I don't see any baddies in here. Everything looks like exactly what you would put, or I, or anyone making a soup would put in a soup. Oh, I'm looking forward to that now because I do so love it when products are exactly as somebody would make them. And why not? If these people can do it, why can't everyone do it? I don't need to see it made from reconstituted dried skim, milk, palm oil, fat stuff. So I'm not being a total snob now, I'm just excited for this. This is actually product of the month. It's £1.80. Oh, that's a lot for a tin, but as I've just said, it is made of everything good, as we would make it at home, so you've got to pay for that, I guess. They saute tender organic vegetables with herbs to create the soup base. This modern method of making soup allows for the unique flavours of each soup to come forward. So where's the other one? Oh man. The other one is organic chunky tomato soup. Guess what? I am not a fan of tomato soup, but guess who is? My husband. So something else for him. He really loves tomato soup a lot, like in a weird kind of way. Amy's dad says this is even tastier than the creamy tomato soup he grew up eating. I've added tender chunks of fine ripened tomatoes to create a full flavoured soup you're sure to enjoy. That does also sound delicious, and again, everything is perfect ingredients wise. I guess we're going to have soup soon. Tomorrow, maybe? I don't know. It's our anniversary. Tomorrow's soup and anniversary dish? I don't know. Probably not, is it? But still, nice. Thing else for my beloved. This is just basically an anniversary box from me to him because it's all full of stuff for him. Tabasco. Can you ever have too much Tabasco? Yes, you can when you're a person who can't even stand. You know that old El Paso, the mild one? No, can't even have that one. I have to have the extra mild one. Exactly. This is regular Tabasco, a full-size bottle. You can dash it in your drinks. You can add it to your dinner. Original red pepper sauce, £2. It celebrates its 150th anniversary this year. It's made with just 3 ingredients: red peppers, vinegar and salt. It's no calories and it's vegan. Great added to eggs, stirred into Christmas Bloody Marys, or mixed with mayo for a prawn cocktail. So I'm going to put this in my store cupboard. Right, what is this? Oh, this is useful. Thank you. Callow organic stock pots, organic vegetable, and these are the like gel ones. Gel, is that the word? Do you know what I mean? The ones like this. I use these already. I really like them. Always happy to see more. Oh, the Certified Carbon Neutral company. That's pretty good. That is another reason to pick this company. The stock vegetables that lived on the farm were cool and laid back. They were placid and calm. They liked to stay home and play on their drums, but rocked out on stage for their fruit and veg chums. That is a little cool poem on the back of the box. I'm impressed with that. Yes, no artificial colours, flavours or preservatives, gluten-free, organic, suitable for vegetarians and vegans. So it's £1.80 for a pack of 4. Take stock of all your ingredients this winter and go organic with Callow. They're the perfect partner to enhance all your family favourite home-cooked delicious dishes. Natural, organic, no added MSG or artificial ingredients. They simply add delicious flavour and nothing else. And I like to add stock cubes to a lot of things, but one of the things I do like to add it to is like rice or what do you call it? Barley or pulses or you know those little grains? Quinoa, but I don't have quinoa. The other one, bulgur wheat. I like to put a stock cube in my bulgur wheat and it just makes it taste delicious, and you can just eat it straight from there without putting extra stuff in it. So yeah, that is my top tip. What is this? Nick's coconut, no added sugar. Join our fight on sugar. Oh, me and you, Nick, we're going to be at war because I love me some sugar. But can you convince me that this is going to taste good? This is $1.45 for a bar, which is quite a lot for this size bar. Nick's coconut is rich and delicious tasting, naturally sweetened coconut bar coated with milk chocolate with no added sugar. The perfect choice for a delicious guilt-free indulgence. We never add sugar in our products, not now, not ever. That's what I'm inside. At first I got full on bounty, and then I got, oh, this isn't quite right. Then I got, oh, actually it is quite nice. Then I got, no, it's not. Then I got, it is nice, it's just not nearly as sweet as a bounty. But it actually does taste good, and I might go in for a second bite, you know. It's the problem with desiccated coconut, isn't it? Because it gets everywhere in your mouth. You're trying to get rid of little bits and you're talking and it's everywhere. I personally would prefer it with milk chocolate rather than dark chocolate. And that definitely tastes like dark chocolate to me. But I'm sure lots of people like it. And this isn't bad, actually, considering it's got no added sugar. Not quite a convert yet. Right. These I haven't seen for ages. Emily Veg Crisp sweet potato sticks seasoned with sea salt. Okay. Are these going to be like the crunchy ones? But they're normally salt and vinegar ones. Do you know the ones I mean that you get chipsticks? Is that what they're called? Emily lives for the discovery of delicious food, travelling the world to find finest flavours. Taking inspiration from her adventure, she's now bringing in the business of bringing the coconut everywhere. Taking inspiration from her adventures, Emily is now in the business of bringing the fun back to snacking using her innovative technique which turns the freshest veg into crunchy chips. A new and unique take on the humble crisp. Enjoy a nutritious high fibre snack. Emily's crunchy sensations are seasoned to perfection before bringing out the best possible flavours to our nourishing sweet potato. Discover an amazing crunch with Emily's mix of bold purple and classic yellow sweet potato sticks gently sprinkled with sea salt. I definitely would have been more excited about this if it had been salt and vinegar. So this is what they look like. Look quite nice. Not enough salt. It's okay. And actually that would be quite nice and crunchy if it had more salt. I think it was something else I had from them as well. Just the overriding thing I got from them was like a bit oily. Like the taste ended up being a taste of oil rather than a taste of whatever it was meant to taste of. But yeah, that's actually, the crunch is really nice. We just need a bit more salt, but I can add my own. And then we have this as well from Emily's Crisps as well. Oh, and this one is sweet potato sticks with chilli and lime. Now, I don't really like chilli, so I'm not going to open these now because last time I opened these things and left them out in the air, they went all soggy. So we would try them another day and I will probably let you know on Instagram if they were good. I'm going to guess it's going to be the same situation though, that they're crunchy but the flavour is not as amazing. Although with chilli and lime, you would think the flavour would be more intense. I'm sure some people love these. For me, they're not quite there. And as I am not desperate to eat crisps in veg form, and I'm not desperate to eat crisps at all, to be honest, it's not going to convert me yet. They're £1 each, those are. Time for our last item already. This is our weird drink of the month. And it is the Bee's Knees. What is this? It's £1.89 for 200 ml. The Bees is a sophisticated, vegan-friendly alternative to sparkling wine. Made from grapes and infused with green tea, it offers floral aromas with refreshing acidity. It looks and tastes like a sparkling wine, but without alcohol. It's lower sugar, it's gluten-free, and around half the calories of the average fizz. Well, that's quite interesting. I don't drink anymore. I don't even try and drink stuff that tastes like alcohol because it just seems a bit pointless to, personally for me, to drink stuff that tastes like alcohol and getting none of the alcoholic buzz. but I will try this on people. I like the idea because I do think there needs to be more nice drinks for non-drinkers or the driver or whatever, and this doesn't have like loads of sugar in it and stuff. Be interesting to see if it's a better version of Schlur or not. There you go, that is the thing. Oh, and on the back we have a recipe for lentil cottage pie using the vegetable soup, which is quite a cool way to use soup. And then we have the callo veggie curry using the callo stock cube. So this month's grand total is £24.92, which isn't bad for Degustabox at all. Almost double the cost of the box, so not bad. It's not my favourite box, probably because so much of it in it is not for me, and I don't feel like there's enough Christmas treats. I would have loved a pudding, some mince pies, some sweets. Okay, we did get some biscuits, more stuff along that kind of line. But hey, there's always next month, and I guess since it's not in here, I have free reign to go crazy in Tesco or somewhere. What do you guys think of this month's box? Let me know all your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you for December's Degustabox. Until then, I hope you live it remote well. Take care of yourselves. Bye guys.